Good morning, one and all. So, myself N. Naganika, lecturer in Commerce, Government Model Degree College, Ellareddy. So, today we discuss non-profit organization. So, what is the main motto of the non-profit organization? To means to provide the service to the society. Here, uh, some uh, some non-profit organizations are clubs, societies, charitable bodies, and so on. So many government activities fall into the categories such as hospitals, schools, and colleges. So the main objectives are to provide the service to the members or beneficiaries. The main idea is spend the funds of the organization in such fashion that it provides the maximum benefit to the members and the society. So many social clubs democratically organized, just like company and the members of the beneficiaries. So here the meaning of the non-profit organization here, non-profit seeking the organizations refer to those organizations which are formed for the purpose of promoting commerce, science, religion, charity, and another useful object here. So intended to spend their income in promoting their objectives. Here the examples of such organizations means, here examples of non-profit organizations: sport clubs, social clubs, libraries, and charitable hospitals, and educational institutions, temples, churches, gurudwaras, majids, and professional bodies. So these are all non-profit organizations. Next here, non-profit organizations prepare first receipts and payments account. So what are the features of the receipts and payments account? Here it is a summary of the cash or bank transaction. It is like a cash book. Here receipts means capital or revenue is all debited. Payments means capital or revenue both are credited. So it starts with opening balance and bank balances and ends with their closing balances. Here this accounts is usually not a part of the double entry system. It is a duplicate of the cash book in concise form. Here it includes all cash and bank receipts and the payments. Here whether they are related to current, past, future periods. So surplus or deficits for the accounting period cannot be ascertained from this account. Only it shows the cash position and excludes the non-cash items. Only cash items are recorded in the receipts and payments account. This account is not a trial balance but a cash trial. It ends with the closing balance of the cash and bank columns. Here a specimen of the receipts and payments account. This is a specimen of the receipts and payments account. So first is cash and bank balances. Cash and bank balances. Here cash, bank. So next subscriptions for the previous year, for the current year, for the next year. And next entrance fees, donation, building, to general donations, to life membership fees, to legacy, grant from government, to contribution for annual dinner, to dividend, to interest, to rent, to receipt on annual reports, to sale of the sports material, to sale of old magazines, to sundry receipts, to balance C by D. So whenever we have the overdraft, so we have to write the balance C by D. So what are the items to be recorded? Payment side of the receipts and payments account. Here balance be brought down means here credit side bank overdraft if any. So annual sports expenses, salaries and wages, rent, rates and taxes, insurance, furniture, by sports equipment, by books and periodicals, by audit fees, by printing and stationery, by honorarium, by bank charges, by postage and telegrams, water and electricity, by conveyance and travelling, by repairs and maintenance, by sundry expenses, annual dinner expenses, purchase of investments, furniture, balance CID. So these are the payments of the receipts and payments account. Now, so first coming to the problems in non-profit organization. So from the following receipts, and this is receipts and payments account, from the following receipts and payments account of the charitable institution and further information is supplied, and prepare income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st 12/2005. So 2005 cash at bank 7,400. Next cash in hand 300. To subscription, to donations 8,000. To subscription 4,000. And to endowment fund of the receipts is 15,000. To legacies 6,000. To interest on investments 9,500. To interest on deposits 150. Sale of old furniture 75. The total is 50,425. Here charities. Now charities, by charities 14,500, by salaries 2,600, by rent and taxes 1,200, by printing and stationery 300, postage 100, by advertisement 250, by furniture 750, by investments 15,000, by advances to contractor 5,000, by balance C by D, cash at bank, cash in hand 10,007. The total is 725. Now, so it was decided to treat one half of the total payment received on the account of legacies and donations as a income. Ante means here in legacies and donations, half of the amount treated as a income. So 2,000 were owing for the rent, 300 for salaries, 50 for advertisement. Interest on investments 500 had accrued but was not received. So here how to prepare the income and expenditure account. So here income expenditure account for the year ended 31/12/2005. First, here 2,000 two salaries, here 2,600 is given. So in the problem, salaries are 2,600. In the problem salaries are 2,600, and this 300 is 300 for salaries. So this 300 is given in the adjustment. 2,600 plus 300, that is 2,900. To rent and taxes 1,400. So here rent and taxes 1,400. Here 200 is here 1,200 rent and taxes, 200 is in adjustments. 1,200 plus 200, that is 1,400. To printing, that is 300 in the problem, printing and stationery. Next to postage 100 is problem. Advertisement 250 plus 50 rupees is in adjustment. Charities 14,500. Next subscriptions, those are subscriptions 4,000. So here these subscriptions are 4,000 given in the problem. By donations, so in donations half of the amount is treated as income. 8,000 is donations, half is 4,000. Legacies, here legacies are 6,000, half of the amount, that is 3,000. Interest on investment, that is 9,500. Interest on investments, that is 9,500. Here 9,500 plus accrued. So here this 500 is given in the adjustment. So 9,500 plus 500, 10,000. Interest on deposits 150 rupees. Here interest on deposits 150 rupees. Here this 150 rupees is given in the problem. So credit side total is 21,150 minus debit all the items, means here excess of income over expenditure is 1,650. This is income and expenditure account for the year ended 31/12/2015. 31/12/2015. Next, here the second problem. from the following receipts and payments account, account of the second problem, from the following receipts and payments account of the sport club, prepare an income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st December 2005. So here receipts are given. Here receipts and payments account is given. We have to prepare the income and expenditure account. So first January 1st, here cash in hand 400, to member subscriptions 14,000. Next here donations for club 20,000, to entertainment receipts 6,200, to entrance fees 1,400, entrance fees is 1,400, to cricket fees 500, to sale of newspaper 100, to sundry donations 4,000, to interest on securities 224. Here payment side, bank overdraft 18,000, salary is 4,200, rent rates and taxes 3,600, insurance 600, entertainment 4,200, furniture 3,600, newspapers 900, general expenses 500, cash and bank balances in hand 304, bank 920. Here fixed deposit is 20,000, 21,000, 224. So the total is 46,824. Here adjustments are given. Member subscription include 1,200 received for the year 2004. So 2004 means last year. 600 for the year 2006 means here next year. Salaries include 400 paid for the year 2004. 2004 means last year. 500 outstanding for the year, 2005 means this year. One half of the entrance fees is to be treated as income, means here half of the amount of the entrance fees is income. Membership subscriptions amounted to the 500 or arrears. So here income and expenditure account, here the income and expenditure account for the year ended, we are preparing the, so receipts and payments account is given, we are preparing income and expenditure account for the year 31/12/2006. So here salaries 4,200 here given in the problem. Next add outstanding, means this year salary is 500, that is 4,200 plus 500, that is 4,700. Next minus previous year, means previous year salaries, means 2004 salaries, that is 400. The total is 4,300. Rent and taxes 3,600 given in the problem. To insurance 600 given in the problem. Entertainment 4,200 given in the problem. Newspapers 900 given in the problem. Next subscriptions, here we have little adjustment for the subscriptions. So this is adjustment for the subscription, means here subscription is, that is 1,400, so arrears of subscription, that is 500 here. Next for 2004 1,200, 2006 600, that is 1,800 minus just 14,500 minus 1,800, that is 12,700 is the current year subscriptions. This is 12,700. Next entrance fees, so one half of is treated as income. 1,400 half is 700. By cricket fees is 500. By salaries of the newspaper 100. By donations 4,000. Then interest on securities 224. The total of the credit items is 24,424. Here from credit items we have to reduce the debit items, that is excess of income over expenditure, that is 10,324. Excess of the income over expenditure. So here this is the problem. Here for subscriptions, listen again. So subscriptions, that is 14,000 is given in the problem. Now for this 14,000 we have to add the 500 of current year. So current year subscriptions, here membership subscriptions amounting to the 500 areas. These are current year subscriptions. So we have to add this 500 to 14,000, 14,500. Now we have to reduce the last year and next year subscriptions. So last year subscriptions are 1200. Member subscriptions, last year subscriptions are 1200, next year subscriptions are 600. So these have to be reduced from 14,500. 14,500 minus 1800, that is 12,500. So subscriptions are 12,500. So here information given in this in the information given receipts and payments account, we have prepared income and expenditure account. We have prepared the income and expenditure account. So thank you all. Thank you very much.